Good morning, everyone. This is T. Manjulata from TTWRDC Shatnagar. Now we are discussing about the management of companies. This is from company law subject. It is for BCom for 5 years 6th sem. Okay. Now we will discuss the in this we are discussing about the managerial persons of a companies are CEO, MD, manager, company secretary, whole time director, CFO. Okay, in this we are having some of the companies are number of directors for the companies are in public company we are having 3 directors, in private company we are having 2 directors, and 1 person company we are having 1. Next, company may have a maximum of 15 directors. Company appoint more than 15 after passing a special resolution. Next, qualification. What are the qualifications of a directors? Directors should have the special knowledge, experience while being a professional with the ethical mind. Directors should fully understand and create a long-term values to business and shareholders. Director should have enough time to perform his duties in the company for business activities. Next, here we are having the disqualification. He has been for disqualification of directors are he has been found to be an unsound mind, he has an unchanged insolvent, he has applied to be as an insolvent, he has been connected by a court, he has not paid any call in respect of shares. Okay, these are the disqualification of directors. Next, we will discuss about the legal position of directors. We are having the legal director described sometimes as agent, trustees, and managing directors. First, we will discuss in this director act as an agent of a company with powers and duties of carrying on the whole of its business. Next, second one is nothing but director act as a trustees also responsible. It is nothing but he will be responsible for the management of activities. Okay, whole management of activities, and he will and affairs of companies. For the directors of trustees, examples are board of directors, board of trustees, board of government. In this legal position of directors, the third subheading is directors as managing partners. Directors are elected representatives of shareholders, and they are in a position of managerial position to that themselves are shareholders of a company. This is also makes them partners with other shareholders. Next, how they will appointed, how the directors will be appointed, now we will see. That is, the first directors are nominated by partners. Okay, nominated by partners, and by the company in general meeting. They will elected by the company by the general meeting, and board of directors can appoint following as per the directors. Here board of directors will be appointed as additional director, director in casual vacancy, and alternate directors. All these directors are appointed by the board of directors. Appointment of board directors by third parties like debenture holders and bankers, etc. Next topic, removal of directors. How the directors will be removed, we will see now. Removal of directors. Okay, here how the directors will be removed. Shareholders may remove any director before expiration by special by special resolution. Okay, shareholders may remove any director before the expiration by special resolution. Remove the directors when management follow illegal and conducts. Okay, when management follow the illegal rules and regulations, at that time the directors will be removed, and the directors will be removed by mismanagement also. Okay, this is next one. We will discuss about the powers of director. What are the powers of directors? To borrow money, to invest funds of company, to issue debentures, to make loans, to fill up casual vacancy in the office of a director, to appoint major executives like MD, manager, secretary, etc. Okay, next we will discuss about the restrictions on directors. Here restrictions for the directors, we have some of the restrictions, that is, there is a no age limit. A person cannot become director in more than 20 companies at one time. Public company is limited 10. Okay, a director cannot assign or transfer his office in favor of anyone else. No director shall obtain any loan from the company. Okay, if director want to take any loan, they should not take the loan from on behalf of the company. Okay, this is the some of the restrictions of the directors. Okay, thank you.